Weekend Modder here with a quick repair proof video. This is a bricked Xbox 360 basic repair that was sent in. So when I received this console from Marlowe, it didn't boot at all. What I ended up having to do is actually open up the console and you put the NAND chip itself into recovery mode, which you do by bridging a couple of particular pins on the NAND chip itself. Then I was able to read and write to the NAND, so I wrote the ECC file, got your CPU key, and then had to build a new NAND via donor files. So because you didn't have the ability to provide any sort of backups, that means I don't have your original DVD key and that sort of information. So I didn't bother to even deal with that, since as we spoke, you said that DVD drive wasn't that interesting to you, and because obviously you do the smart thing and like use ISOs or FTP or whatever. So anyway, the console, as you can see, just successfully booted. I didn't go ahead and mess with your dash launch or anything because I can see that the other software is still pre-installed here. So if we go into your Games tab, we still see XEX menu, and I can still launch that. It looks like you've even got a couple of games loaded up here. And then you can go over to the hard drive, and I see that you've got some Xbox Live and Launch.ini and all that sort of stuff still here. So if you need to load anything else, it seems like you're very capable there already. So anyway, I appreciate you sending it in for the repair service. Just for the information of anybody else who might be interested in, if your console is bricked and did require a hardware reflash, so I did have to solder in the NAND read-write wires and actually write a new updated NAND. That just runs $45, but I also have a slightly more expensive service where I include a NAND reader writer and basically call it a brick proof service. So anyway, thanks for trusting us with your business. We'll get this packed up and it'll go out to you tomorrow.